What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today we have 15 budget cubes from SpeedCubeShop. Quick cut from the video telling you to smash that subscribe button and turn on post notifications if you haven't already. We upload videos every second day, so it doesn't hurt to just press the subscribe button and help the channel out. Alright, let's get back to the video. So first we have the 2x2, 3x3, 4x4 Meilong cubes. We have a stickerless and stickered Yuxin Little Magic, Mr. M 2x2, the YJ Guanlong, the Moyu Gold Splash Cube, the Weilong GTS version 1, the Thunderclapv3M, and the Z Cube bundle. So for the sake of this video, I already removed all the plastic and all the pamphlets out of the boxes and cubes. So let's get started with the video. So first, I'm going to be taking a look at this magnetic Meilong 2x2. Okay, the magnets are really strong. This is, by the way, is not the mass-produced version that is coming out soon. It's the custom one, and yeah. I really like this cube. It turns really smoothly. I don't think it's the best for price, because there's the YJ Yupo and the Chi MS, which I have tried, and they're both better. I don't know. If I make a full review on this, that means it's really good, because I make the reviews on cubes I like. So far, this is really good. It turns really smoothly, but we need to save time, so let's get on with the next budget cube. So next, we have these two little magics. So the reason I ordered both is because I heard that they feel different, and I'm going to magnetize them. So let's first turn the stickered one. Okay, it comes like really loose out of the box. Yeah, this is very loose. I'm not going to fix this tensions yet because this is just an unboxing video. I have already made a review on the Little Magic. I already said it's a really good budget cube. But yeah, this one came very loose. Let's just see this one. Okay, this is the opposite. It came pretty tight. If you check these tensions, they're pretty tight compared to this. I do not like stickered cubes. I only got it because I heard they feel different, but yeah, it definitely comes in a box different, but I couldn't tell you if it feels different. So let's get on to the next budget cubes. So here we have the Meilong 3x3M, the magnetic version, and the 4x4 non-magnetic. Okay, this is really good. This is smooth. I definitely like this better than the Little Magic, but that also might just be because it's magnetized and the Little Magic wasn't. Okay, it comes pretty tight, which is a good thing for budget cubes because it's probably for beginners, and beginners don't usually tension cubes, so it won't pop on them. If my personal preference, I would loosen this, but for beginners, they tend to not want it to pop because they think it breaks, so yeah, this is a great cube. Oh, I forgot to take a pamphlet out. Okay, this is also coming super tight. Let's do a parity algorithm. Okay, it's locking up a lot right now. Yeah, the middle layers stay together pretty well for a non-magnetic cube. Yeah, I really like this. I'm probably going to magnetize it and review it because I love it so much. But I'm going to fix the tensions for this one because I like it. Okay, this is really good. I love this. This actually could become my main. I know I really like this cube, but I know that this cube, you either love it or you hate it. There's a few people that think it's okay, but it's mostly people that love it or hate it. I'm one of those people that love it because it turns really fluid and it's fast, smooth, magnets are strong. Corner cutting is pretty good. It can't do like this area, but not many cubes can. Reverse corner cutting is like really good. Look at this reverse. Oh, that was a regular corner cut. Yeah, the corner cutting on this cube is really good. And yeah, I have already made a review on this. I'm just getting another one because I like it. So yeah, that's the Thunderclap. Here we have the Meilong GTS version 1. This is the non-magnetic version. I don't think there's a magnetic version. And this is considered a budget cube because it's on sale since it's so old. So let's see how it does in 2020. Okay, yeah. The corner cutting is really good, but like it's smooth. Like it goes really smoothly if you cut, even if you're doing fast cuts. Unless you're like making a big corner cut, then yeah. But I would not get this cube in 2020. I don't know how it's like when you magnetize it. But I'm only going to use this as a collector's item. This is not really a good cube. So yeah, let's move on. Okay, that is really slow. Okay, yep. The tensions are already pretty even, and it's just bad, so yeah, I'm already dismissing this cube. Alright, the turning is actually pretty good. I didn't expect much because it's more of a collector's item, but I'm not going to do many solves on this because it's just a collector's item. But yeah, it actually turns pretty good for a non-speed cube. Better than the Guanlong, I think. Okay, that locks up a lot. Yep, there is a problem. Okay, these are... Oh, they're not actually that loose tensions. But it feels really loose. I bet... Yeah, I do not recommend this because it's more expensive than the Meilong 2x2. And the Meilong is much better. So don't get this cube. So first, let's look at the 3x3. Oh my goodness. This is... Okay, I can't really expect much because it's not that expensive for the set, but do not get this cube unless you're getting it in the bundle. Next, we have the Skewb. Okay, this has ball bearings. Interesting. Okay, this turns really bad. I can't even do finger tricks on this. So like the 3x3, do not get this cube. So here. Yeah, I can't even finger trick this cube. It's pretty bad. And also the tensions are tight, and I can't even tension this Pyraminx because you can't get into this part, which is where the screws are of these type of cubes. So do not get this set unless the Megamimx blows me away, which I'm not expecting it to. Here's the Megamimx. Okay, that is... Yeah, it's catching on things for no reason. Yeah, do not get this cube. It's hard to hold. Alright, so on this right side, we have all the cubes you should not buy. The Mr. M 2x2, the Moyu Gold Splash Cube, the YJ Guanlong, the Z Cube set. I absolutely do not recommend this set. It's terrible. And the Meilong GTS, unless you want a cool collector's item. So here are the cubes that will actually help you get better at cubing. The Meilong 2x2, the Meilong 4x4, the Meilong 3x3, the Thunderclap version 3 magnetic, and the Yuxin Little Magics. So the best 2x2 today goes to the Meilong 2x2. It's really smooth to turn, it's fast, and it has strong magnets, which is good. The best 3x3 today is the Meilong 3x3 because it's magnetic. I don't know if I would like the Yuxin Little Magic more. If it was magnetic, probably, or maybe, but yeah. The Thunderclap version 3 comes in second place, and the Yuxin Little Magics come in third just because they're not magnetic. And for the best 4x4, we have the Meilong 4x4. So I hope you liked this video. Please hit the like button if you did, and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Bye.